My name is Jennifer Leahy. I'm an internal medicine physician at Minor & James Medical. My role is not just to diagnose illnesses, but to teach my patients about things that affect their health and to really help them advocate for their own health and take an active role. Every patient is unique, and I think that it's important to understand the individual differences in patients because it will really affect what treatment you might choose or how you approach their healthcare problems. We have primary care providers here, and we have a variety of specialists, and it's really great as a physician to have that collaboration and communication with other physicians in the clinic when a problem comes up that it needs specialist consultation for as well. That collaboration and communication makes it a great place to work and also really contributes to excellent patient care. I like primary care because we see patients throughout the whole lifespan, and you can really develop long-term relationships with patients and get to know them over time, and that really makes it worthwhile. I try to stay up in my field by learning a little something new every time I encounter a problem I haven't seen in a while or something that's new to me. Medicine is always changing, so it's important to always keep up to date with what's going on. If I could give my patients one piece of advice for a healthy lifestyle, it would be trying to achieve balance in their lives. Times of illness can be really significant periods of time in people's lives, and it's really a privilege to be able to be a part of that and to struggle with them through times of illness and see them get better. And there's really nothing better than that.